Do you struggle with high blood pressure or feel overwhelmed by stress? What if I told you that just a few minutes of meditation each day could make a significant difference? Stick around as we uncover 10 proven meditation techniques to naturally lower your blood pressure. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to take control of your health and find your inner calm. Welcome to Holistic Health Hub, where we explore natural, science-backed ways to improve your health. Today, we're diving into meditation, a powerful tool for lowering your blood pressure and achieving inner peace. Let's explore 10 effective meditation techniques you can start using today. Start with deep breathing. Simply inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, helping to relax your blood vessels. Focus on different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving upward. This helps release tension and promotes a state of relaxation, reducing your heart rate and blood pressure. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Research shows that regular mindfulness practice can significantly lower blood pressure by reducing stress. Incorporate gentle, flowing movements like Tai Chi or Qigong. These meditative exercises improve circulation and calm the mind, which benefits your cardiovascular health. Reflect on what you're grateful for. This practice not only boosts your mood, but also decreases stress hormones that can raise blood pressure. Use apps or online videos for guided meditations specifically designed to lower blood pressure. These often combine soothing music with calming instructions. Spend time outdoors. Listen to the sounds of nature and focus on your surroundings. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body, helping to lower blood pressure. Repeat a calming word or phrase like peace or calm to yourself. This helps quiet your mind and lowers stress levels, improving heart health. Focus on feelings of compassion and kindness toward yourself and others. This reduces negative emotions that can contribute to high blood pressure. Practice a calming meditation before bedtime to improve your sleep quality. Better sleep helps regulate blood pressure over time. Meditation is a powerful, natural way to support your cardiovascular health. With just a few minutes a day, these techniques can help you manage stress, relax, and lower your blood pressure. Try incorporating one or more into your daily routine. For more holistic health tips, subscribe to Holistic Health Hub.